the software for you and show you exactly what it can do and how all the different features work. Now you can see this is the software after I've installed it and logged in, and you can see it's a very simple user interface. But don't let the simplicity fool you, because it's super powerful and has a ton of features. The way that it was created is so that it automates a lot of tasks, but it goes through the tasks in the browser window that you see here, just like a normal user would. This way, Facebook won't think that you are in fact using a software, because it looks totally natural to them and all the tasks are performed exactly as a human would. Right, so let me quickly show you the first feature, which is a dual feature and is very powerful. And that is the scrape profile URLs feature. So how this works is that you will be able to capture lists of super targeted leads in any niche that you want to target on Facebook. Okay, so for my project I want to promote weight loss related products. So I'm going to look for keywords related to weight loss. So I have one called Dr. Oz, which is a famous show related to weight loss products, and I have natural weight loss products here. Now I can fill in as many keywords as I want. Okay, then I'm going to choose the file. Then I want to save this list of captured leads to. So I'm going to just call it droz.txt. I'm going to save, and I'm going to hit run. So what the software will do now is that it's going to search for all people on Facebook that belong to groups named or related to Dr. Oz. So you know all the people that is being captured right now, you can see the number is increasing there, it's already at 75, are all interested in weight loss products. And that makes them super targeted if I want to promote weight loss or fitness related products to them. So you can see it will go on and on like this, all people related to these keywords, and it will keep on grabbing these profile URLs until I hit stop or until it finishes its run. Now you can let this run in the background, you can minimize it, and it will go on capturing thousands and even tens of thousands of URLs for you. But just for this example, I'm going to stop it right now, and you can see it saved 120 profile URLs. And if I go to the folder where I saved, you can see there's two files now. Now the first one will be all the profile URLs of the people interested in weight loss. Okay, so I know all of these people will be interested in my products. That means I can market anything to them, and the chance of them buying or be interested in it is going to be a lot higher. Now I'm going to use this file with the next feature of Auto Facebook Marketer, which I'll show you in a moment. The other one is a great new feature where it simultaneously also captured the Facebook IDs of all these targeted users. And what you do with this is you import it into Facebook ads as custom audiences. That means you can buy super targeted Facebook ads that only these people will see. Now we already know they're interested in natural weight loss and Dr. Oz, so if we promote related products to them, we are going to get a very high click-through rate and make a ton of sales doing so. Right, so let me just quickly show you how we're going to use the list of URLs that it scraped. So I'm going to go to the next feature, which is friend or message list of Facebook users by list. And this is the feature where you can friend or message the users that you just captured and saved in a file. So I'm going to click the file that I just scraped. I'm going to select friend or message users, and then I'm just going to click run. So if I click friend users, what this is going to do, the software is going to run through all the people in that list and it's going to friend all of them. Now some of these people will already be friends of mine because I just ran it a few minutes ago, but for the rest of the people it's going to add all of them as friends. And what this is going to do is it's going to be adding a huge targeted following to your profile. So if I'm going to have my whole profile just focused around weight loss and I'm following this software, I'm going to have hundreds and hundreds of people seeing my status updates where I promote my weight loss products, and all of them will potentially be interested in weight loss because I captured them previously. Okay, so I'm going to stop it right now. I'm already friends with most of these people. The other feature is message users. Now this is a very powerful feature because this enables you to let the software go to each of these members and send a personal message to them. Now you already know these people are in weight loss related groups and you know they're interested in weight loss. So you can send them any message related to that, and the chance of them responding or clicking on your link and buying your products if you promote something is going to be a lot higher. So let me just grab a message here that I already typed. You can see here it is, send message 1, and you can see I can also use it in spin syntax. So if you generate in spin syntax with some random words between brackets, then the software will automatically choose a random variation each person that it sends the message to. Okay, so in this message I'm just basically telling them, hi, sorry for contacting you. I saw you're also in my weight loss group. I have a few friends that joined me and bought this weight loss supplement that we're having a lot of success with, and there's a huge discount there, and I'm giving them the link. And basically it's just a friendly type of message, and I can set my delays here so it's totally natural and safe, so our accounts can't get banned or flagged for spam. And I click on run, and now it will take each of those users in that file one by one and send a message to them. You can see it brings it up automatically, the chat box. And you can see sometimes it just pauses because it works in random delays to make it even safer for the users to use this. To make it even more safe, we also have proxy features for the software. And here you can see that it added the message, you click yes, and now it's going to go to the next person. And you can see it does it just like a normal human would. So you can let the software run in the background, you can have lunch, you can even keep it through the night, and it will go on like this, messaging all these hundreds and hundreds of users through the day, relentlessly marketing your product and message to these people. Okay, so you can see it's already starting to type in the next message. If you leave it on like this, you can see every time it's a slightly different message, and it goes on and on and on like this. And the speed in which this will be performed will all come down to how fast your internet connection and your computer is. Here in South Africa, my internet connection is really terrible. Right, so you can message these lists of users, you can friend them to build a huge audience, but that's not all. We also have a bunch of other very powerful features of the software which I think you will really like. And that will all see when you go to this tab here, search pages, people or groups in Facebook. So what this lets you do is that it lets you auto join groups or to like pages or to add friends related to certain keywords or niches. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put natural, fat loss and a few keywords related to my niche here. I can even type a specific location like maybe United States because I'm only selling my product in the United States, for instance. And then I just select if I want to join groups or like page or add friends. I can set my delays again. I click on run, and now the software will go look for all groups related to these keywords of mine, automatically requesting to join all of them. And if you keep this running for a few hours or a few minutes, it will join hundreds of super targeted groups that will be interested in the offers that you can market to them. I'm just going to stop it right now. You can also do the same for pages. You can just let it run. It will like a whole bunch of pages related, and this way you join a lot of communities where people hang out that's interested in your market, in your niche and your product. Okay, you can see it will bring up all the people. It will automatically click on the like buttons and like as many as you set over here. I'm going to stop it right now. It will do the same for friends as well. This way it will auto add as many friends as you want related to these groups, and so that you can also build a profile of followers all related to your niche. Now, what is the use in joining all these groups, pages, and friends? You can now market on these groups. You can send messages on these related groups. You can send messages on the pages, and you can send messages to the friends. And instead of doing all of that manually one by one, this software can do all of that on autopilot. Okay, so you can use this next feature, which is super powerful and one of the best features of this software, where you can auto post to groups. So you can put in your delays here again. You can make this as much as you want, and you select auto post to groups. You can put in any message here that you want to post on your groups. It can be in spin syntax as well. Here I already have one that just says something like, hey, we're a bunch of people losing a lot of weight with this one supplement, and we want to hear who else wants to join us and check out the link where there's a huge sale. And that gives a call to action to get people to click on that. And it's a very helpful message, so it doesn't look like spam. So I simply click on run, and the software will now go through all the groups that you belong to. And remember, I belong to a whole bunch of weight loss groups. And it will automatically type the message. There you can see types and posts the message with the link right on the group, and it will continue doing this for all my groups. So you can imagine all the people, and there's over 8,000 people in that group, will see my message, will maybe be interested in my product, and click on my link, get me traffic, and getting me sales and profits. Now that's just one group. Here's another one, 1,600 members. Imagine if the software goes through all of these groups, over 50, over 100, maybe even thousands of related groups, posting your messages the whole time, marketing your offers in autopilot, getting you a lot of extra traffic. I think you can easily realize how powerful this software is, because remember, you can minimize this, you can go on with the rest of your tasks on Facebook, you can let this run through the night, and you can literally make money while you sleep, right? So I'm going to stop it right now. You can do exactly the same if you want to post to pages. This way it will also post the same message to all the pages that you liked, all bunch of weight loss related pages. So you can see that's also going to get you a lot of traffic in exactly the same way, because you are exposing your brand, your website, your link on communities that are already interested in your offer. Okay, so I'm going to stop it just now because we're running out of time. And the last but not least feature here is the post to friends. So what this feature will do is that it will auto post to all of your friends that you have on this specific Facebook account. So if you have a Facebook account and you added a lot of friends with our other features that are all only related in weight loss, then they won't mind if you send them messages about weight loss or weight loss products, okay? So make it a natural sounding message. Hi there, wanted to know if you are looking to lose weight. I am trying a brand new product called Garcinia Cambogia, and I'm inserting a link there, like check it out here and let me know what you think. And I'm inserting my link. This can be my affiliate link, my CPA offer link, anything that you want to promote with this software. So I'm adding it there. I'm clicking run. You can set your delays again. And now it will search for my friends. So we'll take them one by one, and it will send a message to each one of them with this. And remember, it can be spinnable syntax as well. Now, imagine if you have hundreds or even thousands of friends, and all of them are people that are already interested in your message. Here you can see it is posting the message with the link, with the graphic embedded. Imagine how many people will see your offer and how many people will click on it because you are sending them a message on their walls. Now, the most powerful thing about this feature is that you're going to get viral traffic with it, because each of this person's friends will also be exposed to see this message. Now, imagine this guy is followed by 62 people. He has 2,000 friends. And I'm posting this on his wall, so most of his friends will see this message as well. Many of them also buying it. So if I post this throughout the night and let the software run, you can see the massive potential in this. Not only will my hundreds and hundreds of friends see my offer and be able to buy my offer, but also their friends. So it's a whole snowball effect, a whole viral effect that's going to get you a ton of extra traffic and sales. And if you're doing SEO, want to get your products ranked, this is the easiest way to get lots of social signals and spread your links around the web, because Facebook is truly one of the biggest places out there to market your products to and to make more sales. So that's Auto Facebook Marketer. You can see we have a ton of different features here. There's no app or software or tool out there that can perform all these features and do it this effectively. I was able to benefit my business a lot using this software, and now I'm making it available to all of you for a very special, limited, discounted price. So if you want to skyrocket your earnings, if you want to get more traffic, if you want to harness Facebook for a lot more profits for your business without doing all the work manually, then this software is for you, and you need to take action and grab this immediately.